Internship and practical training in China for M students. Are you wondering about the internship and practical training after M's in China? In this video, I'll explain how the internship works, where you will train, and whether it's valid in other countries. Stay tuned. 1. Overview of internship in China. In China, M students must complete 1 year of internship final year of M's. Internship is conducted in affiliated teaching hospitals of medical universities. Students work in different clinical departments to gain practical experience. Some universities allow students to intern in their home country, India, Pakistan, etc. Internship is a crucial part of M's training to develop clinical skills before becoming a doctor. 2. Where do M students do their internship? Internship is done in top affiliated hospitals of medical universities. These hospitals are tertiary care centers with high patient flow. Students train under experienced doctors and specialists. Interns rotate through different departments like medicine, surgery, pediatrics, gynecology, and obstetrics, orthopedics, emergency medicine. These hospitals provide hands-on training to prepare students for real-world medical practice. 3. What do students learn during internship? Internship includes both theoretical learning and practical training. Key skills learned: patient diagnosis and case history taking, performing medical procedures, IV, injections, dressing, etc. Assisting in surgeries and medical treatments, working in emergency and critical care units, learning about hospital management and patient care. Practical training is essential for developing clinical confidence and experience. 4. Is the internship in China valid in India, Pakistan, and other countries? India NMC rules. Indian students must do their internship in India after FMG next. Pakistan PEMC rules. Internship in China is valid, but some students prefer to do it in Pakistan. USA UK USM and PLAB requirements. Internship helps in applications, but students must do residency training abroad. Middle East DHA, HUD, etc. Some countries accept the Chinese internship, but others require local training. Always check your country's medical council rules before deciding on your internship location. 5. Can students do their internship in their home country? Some Chinese universities allow students to do their internship in India, Pakistan, or other countries. Students must get approval from their university and complete hospital training requirements. After the internship, they must submit a completion certificate to their university. If you plan to practice in your home country, doing an internship there might be a better option. 6. Tips for a successful internship: be active in patient care and hospital rounds, learn practical procedures and emergency management, develop communication skills with patients and medical staff, prepare for licensing exams like FMG, USM, or PLAB during internship. Internship is the best time to gain hands-on medical experience and prepare for your medical career. Conclusion: that's everything you need to know about internships and practical training in China for M students. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.